to the channel. I'm Jaterra Bria'Na. If you are new, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also follow me on my social medias. Everything is at life_of_Jaterra. And welcome to my move out / move-in series. So we are clearly in a new space. I'm so excited to be giving you guys my best found tips and tricks when it comes to moving in and moving out. I'm just a girl edition, okay? I didn't want to barely lift a finger while doing this entire moving process. So if you are anything like me, you spoiled, you the passenger princess, you don't want to do too much, but you want to get the job done, tune into this video. I have a ton of tips and tricks for you guys, okay? So let's get started. I went to Lowe's, okay? So Lowe's has these, and they're not the only one, but I found that they had a really good price point. So Lowe's has these move-in bundles where you can get boxes. They literally gave me small, medium, and large boxes. Packing tape, bubble wrap, all that good jazz. Girl, did it come with labels or markers, or did I get that on my own? I might have added that additionally to my package, but yeah, I purchased the 1-bedroom bundle and it came with all of that. And I did curbside pickup bookie, okay? So I didn't even have to go into the store. They brought everything out, put it in my car, shut the door, and I pulled off skirt, okay? So yeah, Lowe's was definitely my go-to place when it came to purchasing all of my packing essentials, okay? So yeah, that's tip number one. Number two is to reuse, reduce, recycle, okay? So I realized that I had a couple of things around my house from like gift bags and things of that nature that I could repurpose and reuse for my moving. So I think you guys are gonna see a clip of my move out process where I literally wrapped my dishware in wrapping paper for gifts, girl. And if you hear anything, it's my ice maker. But yeah, I literally reused that wrapping paper to wrap up my plates, and it was so effective. And I must say, for that to be my first time like actually packing up dishware, I did the daggone thing. Okay, now one item broke during this entire move-in, move-out process, so I was really, really proud of myself. Another thing, put towels at the bottom of all of your fragile items, okay? I have a ton of towels, hand towels, bath towels. Wash them, dry them so they clean, okay? And put them at the bottom of your boxes if you don't have as much bubble wrap as you want. You know, just for security. You know, extra cushion for the pushing. And you don't have to actually worry about where are these towels gonna go in boxes, because you know towels are like big bulky items. So my next tip is in regards to anything that you have hung up in your place. So artwork, photo frames, all that good stuff. If you have anything that's on an actual hook that you like hammered into your wall, if you are going to repurpose those into your next spot, get a little Ziploc bag and put your hanging hardware into a Ziploc bag and label it, girl. That was so key. You don't want to lose things. You don't want to like throw it away and have to repurchase it. If it's going right up on your wall in the same spot, you might as well know exactly what hangers go to what pieces of artwork, and you can keep track of all your things during your move out process. Now, I think this next tip is going to be my favorite and the most important tip. So if you are anything like me and you want to get rid of furniture, you want to give things away, but you don't necessarily want to put in all the hard work, you don't want to break a nail, you don't want to break a sweat, girl, literally call up Salvation Army, okay? You actually don't even have to call them, because I know so many of us don't actually like to get on the phone and make appointments with anyone. You can do this all online. So search up Salvation Armies in your area, and you can literally schedule a pickup appointment with them, okay? So I gave away a TV stand, a dresser, an entryway table, 2 bar stools, a lot of framed artwork. I was about to damn near get rid of my bedroom TV, but it was too old, okay? It had to be at it had to be bought in a certain year for them to take it. But literally set an appointment online. You can literally pick the time and the day in which you want them to come. They were so professional. They called me before entering.
I think that's you, miss.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So
yes.
Good. They moved all of my stuff out literally under 5 minutes. They put everything in the hallway, and then they brought the stuff downstairs just so they could be out of my hair. And I really, really appreciated that, girl, because I had so much stuff. And here's the key, okay? You can get a receipt from them and use that for like that year's taxes and use your donation as a write-off. Why ain't nobody tell me that, friend? I'm so glad that I ended up like stumbling upon that tip myself. So I had to make sure that I shared it with y'all, because that saved me so much time, energy, effort, and it's gonna get me some coin back when I do next year's taxes. Tea, okay, tea, okay? In the spirit of giving back, if you want to throw things away, don't just simply throw it away. If you live in an apartment complex and you have a trash chute, put it in that area. People will come snatch it up, okay? By the time I went and put something down and came back to my apartment to get more things, and I went back out, the items were gone, okay? I gave away food, canned items, clothing, jewelry, everything under the sun. Your trash items might be someone else's treasure, okay? Now, this next tip is for my girls and guys who have time and who really have autonomy over their schedules, okay? So the way in which I split up my move, and I think I'm gonna actually address this in the video, person to person, like face to the camera. I split my moving days into 2. So I was so excited. Hi, you guys. I don't know if this is gonna be the start of a new video or it's gonna be the continuation of the video that I started filming back in December. Mind you, it's February. So today is an exciting day because it's the first of one of my moving days. Technically, I kind of gave myself 2. The first day is just to kind of get settled in, clean my house, and then tomorrow is the actual day when I have the movers coming. My boyfriend's here to help, my dad's gonna come, and I'm gonna like actually move all of my furniture and items into the space. But it's so surreal. I already cried a little bit, but yeah, let's go to my new living room. Okay, so boom, got a few groceries. I'm about to clean out my fridge. I got like, you know, some necessary items. I'm about to like steam mop my beautiful floors. You want a fit check? Okay, let's get into the fit check for start from head, go all the way down to the toe.
You know what I'm saying? So,
Hit you with his own.
custom little sweatsuit.
Yeah, where that's from?
Every day, you know, I can't let everybody know where I get my stuff.
He gatekeeping y'all, that's crazy.
Crazy gatekeeper.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Add some color pop to it to go under a hat. You feel me?
Oh, get into it. Okay, period.
And then, you know what I'm saying? Little timepiece.
See, don't look at my fit. I look crazy. So I didn't even bring a tripod, which is what I'm just now realizing. Look at this natural sunlight. We don't got no lights on in here. But yeah, I'm just literally about to sit you up wherever, huh? Fruit? Yes, are you about to get into my groceries already?
Yeah.
I ain't even put them in the fridge yet. I don't know where I can really sit y'all so you can see. Can I sit you on my windowsill? This is my fit check for the day. Essentials hoodie, stole it from him. Leggings, I don't know where these are from. I think they're from Target. And some I don't want those ice. Put it in the sink. How do you clean the ice?
Rinse it with a wet paper towel.
I'm talking about the water filter.
You got all this space, you got so much shit to fill in.
Yeah.
That shit look empty.
Yes. I'm so tired. I did the whole bathroom. He's mad because now he's the one that's... Oh, I can't show him. He doing too much because he's the one that is now mopping, steam mopping. I just did the whole bathroom. And he done did 80% of the living room. And got something to say. It's all about the technique. But after this, y'all, we're about to go get some food. And then I'm probably going to pick up the camera tomorrow when it's time to actually move in. Probably going to get some B-roll of the movers handling everything. And yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow. It's going to get rid of anxiety for you, okay? So I did an orientation with my apartment on the 7th, and that's when they gave me my keys. They showed me the mail room. Girl, I already had packages coming in. They showed me how to access the garage, and I was able to do, like I said, my essential shopping. So I went and got a few groceries. I went and got soap, paper towels, tissue, like things that you and your guests are probably going to need the next day when you actually move things in and you're in there all day working and stuff like that. Like, that was such a lifesaver because, you know, my dad and my man helped me move, and I had movers and stuff, and they was like, can I use your bathroom? Girl, we in here all day. You don't got no toilet paper? That's irritating. Like, that will frustrate me, okay? I was able to order food for them. I was able to offer them water, sodas, all that good stuff, because my fridge was already stocked, you know? So that was super duper helpful. That leads me to the next tip, which is go and purchase movers, girl, okay? Be the princess that you are. Don't lift no stuff, and get you some movers that actually come in and do additional things for you. So the movers that I purchased, I'm not gonna shout them out because they actually irritated the fuck out of me. Okay, and I have a story time on that I'll get to in a moment. But make sure that you get movers that actually offer to help you. So the movers that I did get, they offered to deassemble things. So they took my TV off of the TV mount. Okay, Priya, I didn't even know people will offer that. They wrapped all of my like mirrors and things in bubble wrap. They wrapped my couch. They did everything for me besides actually pack the stuff, and they even offered to do that, but I was like, no, I got that myself. But yeah, they were really good up until the point where they changed the price on me. My next tip is to get TaskRabbit, girl. So I scheduled TaskRabbit to come and help me, not help, girl, do it for me. I scheduled them to come in and mount both of my TVs in my bedroom and living room the same day as I was moving in. So I made sure to schedule that after I knew that my movers were going to be out of the way. So I was able to knock two birds out at one stone, because when the TaskRabbit was mounting my TVs, my dad and my man were putting my bed frame together, and all I was doing in here was like unpacking dishware. Like, literally, this was my dream move. It was so easy. Also, if you are able to split up your days into 2 moving days, make sure you clean your entire apartment before folks move your stuff in. That way you're able to get into all the cracks and crevices before they move in all your big bulky items, and you can't really get everywhere. You know what I mean? So yeah, those are my tips and tricks for moving out and moving in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more apartment content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, mamas.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.